what I usually tell us, okay, trading is all about 80% patience and of course 20% of actions taken, okay? And of course, guys, it is also important that you know the strategy that is working for you. There are several strategies out there with different names, okay? So you don't need to disturb yourself with too much of strategies. Just look for that one strategy that is giving you profitable results. Once you are able to master that strategy, then hold on to it and make sure you follow the strategy strictly. Okay, do not be distracted by any other strategy. Let me tell you the bitter truth, no strategy is 100% perfect, but once you are able to get like 70 to 80% results using, I mean, with the same strategy which you are using, then you are good with it. Okay, so that is one beautiful thing I'm going to tell you. Okay, most of the time we will fall out of the system because we try to check out too many strategies, and at the end of the day we get ourselves confused. Okay, so this is very, very important. So personally, I'm using this strategy for over 2 years now, and it has giving me profitable results on daily basis, and I'm really happy about it. Okay, so this is the result of what we got. Okay, this is the result of what we got, guys. This is so beautiful. Don't worry, I'm going to explain better how we are able to achieve this particular trading result in this video so that you too can learn from it, and you can, if it is a strategy you would like to master, then you can practice it very well on your demo account until you are able to perfect it. Then you can start using it to generate profitable signals for yourself. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so this is Paynex 1200. Okay, about 3 days ago this was an uptrend and it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it. So since it's unable to break out above it, we had to wait for it to give us a downtrend signal. It gave us a downtrend signal and gave us a sell signal. So yesterday, I mean yesterday, okay, we did this setup at the early hour of yesterday, entry point, and of course, we also had our stop loss somewhere here. We're on 15 minutes time frame, so this is huge, guys. So we have some highlighted TPs for us right here. Basically, I was targeting this region, okay, that in case it's unable to break out below it, then definitely we it's most likely for it to go back on uptrend, but we would have achieved all our TPs before that will happen. Okay, but as you can see, TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4 achieved. Okay, that's yesterday, and later on it had a pullback. I told us this later on in the night. I updated us, but it came back down again to achieve all those TPs all over again, and of course even achieve the last TP. That's so amazing, guys. That's so amazing. It even went as far as getting to this region. So this is what I've been telling you, guys. This strategy is all about trend trading strategy. Okay, so you only need to follow the trend. Once you are able to identify the right trend, and of course all you need to do is to follow the right signal, trading signal for the trend. For instance, if the market is on uptrend, I don't expect you to sell at that point. If the market is on uptrend, if you are selling, you are losing your money at that point. You are most likely to lose your money at that point. But if the market is on uptrend, what you should do is to buy. Okay, you don't swim against the currents. Okay, so it is always difficult to do that. Okay, I mean, if you try to do that, it is always difficult. And this time around, the market has been on downtrend. So what should you do? You should sell. Okay, you should sell. Don't joke with that. You should sell since the market is on downtrend. Then sell, guys. That is how it works, guys. So and that is what we actually follow. So the only thing which you only need to be sure of here is the trend. Okay, how to identify the trend, most especially how to know when the trend is switching from one trend to another. Once you are able to identify this, then you are good to go. Okay, I'm going to show you another asset. Here is another asset. This one is still going on right now. We also analyzed this yesterday. This actually got to the resistance. It has been on uptrend. We milked it throughout the week on uptrend, but when it got to this resistance, it was unable to break out from there. We highlighted the resistance to know if it will break out from there. Since it's unable to break out from there, it switched back into a downtrend, and we decided to follow the trend signal. Okay, so we came in for a sell at this particular point. Okay, so this happened to be the entry point, and we maintained our resistance zone um as our stop loss. Okay, and of course we also had some TPs for us. TP1 had been achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, and we still have TP4, 5, 6, and even 7 TPs. Okay, it had a pullback at this point, so we still expect it to sell more right now. So this is a win-win opportunity for us, guys. So that is how it works. That is how beautiful this trading strategy is. All you just need to do is just to get it right. So you can see we decided to sell when it got to the resistance zone, and we noticed that it's unable to break out from there, and it gave us liquidity sweep at this point. And of course we decided to put in our entry point at this point. And when we also bought to, okay, we did that from the support zone, from a major support zone, and it gave us all this profit. Okay, so you imagine if you had been following up with my videos or my trading signals, you would have benefited from this till the very end, and thereafter you will also be benefiting from this right now. And all this happen in a single week. Okay, you can imagine this is huge profits, guys. This is huge profit. That is why I am advising you to learn this strategy so that you too can generate trading signals on your own. You don't even need the custom made indicator I am using if you know how to identify some of these things explained to you. Okay, but if you don't know how to identify them, then you can now come for the trading tool so that you can do that. I mean, use that to analyze the better, I mean, the assets in a better way. Okay, so this is very, very important. So, guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Thank you, and God bless you.